Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Brittany and I'm so happy to have you watching today. Today's video is a spring clean my kitchen with me. It took me about 3 hours to get it all done, but I was able to fit it into a 30-minute video. So I really hope that y'all enjoy watching. So I wanted to start by turning on the self-cleaner in my oven. So I just poured about a half a cup into the oven and started the aqua lift, and it took about 40 minutes for this to get done. And while this was going on, I went ahead and started straightening up my kitchen a little bit and putting away the dishes from breakfast and just getting everything kind of straightened up before I got into the spring cleaning. Up next, I just went around all of my top cabinets and started cleaning them out and organizing them. It has been a while since this has been done, but my bottom cabinets had just been cleaned out not too long ago, so I didn't do that today. But I'm going to go ahead and just take everything out of each cabinet, wipe it down, and put everything back in nice and neat.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't wanna be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest but I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. Cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 Songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated. If I listen to my heart, I'm gonna leave it all just wanna go my own way. 'Cause I am on my way. 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 I am on my Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss still burning. Didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile. It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. Taking me a while to get it. Had to live and cry to appreciate life, and what you give is worth it. When you're holding me, when you hold me so close, I want further in under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you remember what's been. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. Everything behind, knowing there is more in life that I want. Now I wanna embrace life, you and I side by side, knowing there is more in life that I want.
Nothing to deny. Blown up because echoes through the halls. You keep sleeping on the couch just to prove the point. I'm too proud to tell you when I'm wrong. Arguments spinning in circles, we're fighting for days, stuck in a phase. I think we're losing the reason. One word is all it takes, babe. Bursting out in cold flames.
After my oven got done with the self cleaner, I just pulled the racks up and just used a rag to wipe up the water, and it cleaned it pretty good in the inside. But my glass part of the oven was not very easy to clean. It took me about 30 minutes to scrub that clean. But I think I ended up doing a pretty good job, but it was just super hard to do. If you have any easier suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. I would love to hear your thoughts.
One word is all it takes, babe. Bursting out in cold flames. Breathing, we are catching fire. Thought that we were wiser. Go and light the match, babe. Miss out on the good days. Breathing, we are catching fire.
Stands by the window, stares at the morning sun. She hopes for a clear view before the day is done. What can you do when you're head over heels in love? But it's keeping her up all through the night. No end in sight. Ooh, she wanders along the trail down to the she dare to set sail? The thought makes her shiver. Watching herself behind those lonely eyes. The mirror of night are making it so hard to tell wrong from right. No end in sight. Ooh, the truth will soon break. A new day is on the rise.
just took down all my decorations from the top of my cabinets, and I got my vacuum, my Dyson V6 Animal, and I just went up there and I tried to get as much dust up with that as I could. Whatever was left, I just got a rag and I wiped it off. There was a good bit of dust up there. It's been a while since I've been up there dusting.
I don't wanna waste my time, so baby we should start living now. I don't wanna be alone, spend too much time by myself. So many things that I still don't know. It's time for me to move on.
I don't know why, but my refrigerator seems to be the place where I always put my mail and papers and things like that. I just throw it up there to hide it. I need to quit doing that. It's become a bad habit. But I got all of that down today and cleaned it up and threw everything away. But if that's something that you do too, let me know in the comments. I feel like I'm probably the only person that does this, but yeah.
I do not wanna give you more of my life. I do not wanna give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now. Not sure if I'll make it out. I do not wanna give you more of my life. I'm all in with my mind. Will you ever call me back? How am I supposed to go if we never said goodbye? Reading through our convo, trying to find where it went wrong. Baby, I'll be fine if you text me one last time. Wishful thinking gets the worst of me, hoping that it's still you and me. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine, just some time off we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I don't. I do not wanna give you more of my life. I do not wanna give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now. Not sure if I'll make it out. I do not wanna give you more of my life.
Now I'm just going around the top cabinets and wiping them down good, and then I'm going to go around the bottom and clean the bottom cabinets good. I just wanted to start from the top and work my way down.
Movies make it look so easy. 15 minutes then you're breezing. Movies make it look so easy. Whoa. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine, just some time off we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I don't. I do not wanna give you more of my life. I do not wanna give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now. Not sure if I'll make it out. I do not wanna give you more of my life. Oh, 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 hey, yeah, oh. Your chin next to my chin, try to hold my breath in, don't wanna wake up. Your heart is more violent Watching you sleep is comforting. Don't wanna wake up. Wish that I was brave, but I've never been the one. Wish that we could stay like this, I wanna stay. Wish that I was brave, but I've never been the one. Wish that we could stay like this, I wanna stay. If I got superpowers, I'll stop the clock. Be right here in this moment. You're all I want. If I got superpowers, I'll stop the clock. Wish I got superpowers. Your hands touching my hand. Want your fingers everywhere. Don't wanna wake up. Wish that I was brave, but I've never been the one. Wish that we could stay like this, I wanna stay. Wish that I was brave, but I've never been the one. Wish that we could stay like this, I wanna stay. If I got superpowers, I'll stop the clock. Be right here in this moment. You're all I want. If I got superpowers, I'll stop the clock. Wish I got superpowers. I know that when the sun is peeking through the curtains, it's time for me to go. Reality is hurting. Oh, I gotta go. I gotta go. If I got superpowers, I'll stop the clock. Be right here in this moment. You're all I want. If I got superpowers, I'll stop the clock. Wish I got superpowers.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I, baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time.
Now that I'm done with all of that, I'm just going to go around and wipe down the counters and get all of the dust and dirt and all of that fell from the top of the cabinets and just wipe it off of the counters, and then I'm going to sweep it up and mop, and then I'm going to call it a day.
Can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should
guys so much for watching. I hope this video motivated you, and if it did, leave me a like and a comment below. That would mean so much. And also, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you here. I'll see y'all again in the next video. Bye.